New beautiful pictures of Yagmur, Yüksel and Baris Baktas have been shared on social media. They have done a beautiful photo shoot at the beachside. As Yagmur and Baris have arrived at Cannes Festival and they are showing great chemistry between them, and international fans are so much happy to see them. Yagmur, Yüksel and Baris Baktas have also done a beautiful photo shoot on the beach side and they were looking really much beautiful and pretty. So Yagmur, Yüksel and Baris Baktas have done a beautiful photo shoot and they are really looking pretty. This photo shoot happened at the beach side.